guys, Gerald for Oneupreviewz, and today we've got a boot review and unboxing of the Timberland Euro Sprint Hiker. Before we get into this review, guys, if you're new to our channel, remember to hit that subscribe button, hit that notifications bell so you never miss any of our latest reviews. Slap that thumbs up. We want to see those likes. It helps us with the algorithms. Drop some love in the comment section below. We try our best to reply to every single comment that's thrown our way. And I just want to take this time and opportunity to thank our subscribers, new and old. Without you guys, we weren't able to do this. So thank you. Let's get into it. So today we've got a look at the Timberland Euro Sprint Waterproof Mid Hiker. We got this in the black knit colorway. We have this in the UK size 7.5, it's European 41.5, and it's a men's US size 8. I believe this is the first Timberland that we are doing. I personally own the 6-inch original wheat boot, but that was before my time, before I joined the team at Oneupreviewz. The fact that they've lasted me that long, I still use it, just shows a testament to the durability of Timberland boots. So we've got one of, well, it's not one of the most, it's an iconic Timberland silhouette, and it's the Euro Sprint Hiker. Here we go. And we got the waterproof version, which is great. I mean, these are built for the outdoors, and we'll get into all those little details. But first, we'll start with the outsole. So today, we've got this in the all rubber outsole, and it's there with that lug. It's that big traction used for the outdoors, prevents any slippage, great grip, and you got the Timberland logo in the middle. Moving along onto the midsole unit. So this midsole is made out of an EVA foam. It's there for your shock absorption and the comfort for the underside of your feet. And we move along onto the upper. Now, Timberland is known for their nubucks. Obviously, you can see it in a lot of their workwear boots, especially the 6-inch wheat boat boot that they're famous for. But this time we've got the black knit version, and this is the waterproof. So this has been treated to be water repellent. And we'll start with the uppers. So here at the toe box area around the front, you can see a heat pressed plastic all around, and it goes above. You can see it goes along onto the mid panel here, and you got that Timberland logo at the lateral sides. Essentially, the whole upper is made out of Timberland's rebottle fabric, so that uses recycled plastic and it's made to make this knit, as you can see here. And as I mentioned, it's been treated. You can feel it when you run your fingers across the material of the upper, that it is like a plastic over the fabric. It's been treated to be water repellent, as I mentioned. These were designed for the outdoors. These are designed especially for rainy days. We get a lot of that here in London, and they're just built to, well, not make any water go into your feet. You look at the laces, so you got these nice round laces, and it's got the metal shanks, or the metal loose laces. Speaking of metal shanks, there is a shank inside the shoe just for your arch support. Moving along onto the heel, so you've got this plastic heel counter with the Timberland tree logo. See, it's imprinted here. Going back towards the tongue, so you've got this really nice padded tongue with the Timberland tree and the Timberland logo. You look at the inside as well, so this is timber dry, so you've got that nice guarantee that your feet are going to stay dry even in the harsh winters and the harsh rains that befall onto you. The ankle collar, that again is nicely padded, there for the support of your ankles and to not make any slippages occur. The outer of the ankle support is made of a nylon. Feel it here, really nice. And that rounds off my review. I just want to mention how these boots are made for the outdoors. I mean, you've got that urban explorer kind of aesthetic. You've seen a lot of this urban aesthetic post-lockdown. Loads of people have taken a liking into hiking outdoors, climbing rocks and all that. I don't know what that really is called. In general, it's hiking at the end of the day. Where the ACG sneakers and Salomon sneakers. They were made for trail running. These boots were made for walking. Oh, it's a really crap joke, sorry guys. But these boots were made for hiking, to stand the harsh weather conditions that you see, and it is essentially there for your winters. Now, as I mentioned before, the Timberland 6-inch boot, that is what they're famous for. So drop a comment if you want to see us do a review of that. We'll try and get our hands on it. But these Euro Sprint hikers, I've seen loads of people wear these. As I mentioned about that urban explorer aesthetic, you might see loads of people wear these during the winters. But at the end of the day, they're here to battle the harsh British weather that we're going to experience within these next couple of weeks. So I'm going to get ready for that. So roll that footage of me trying these on. When it comes to the fit, guys, I recommend that you get your true to size UK Timberland fit. I'm a UK size 7.5. These are a great fit for me and surprisingly very comfy. I feel very secure as well in these boots, and it's very sturdy as well. You can feel it on the lugs that you can find here. Obviously designed for your hikes, walking in water, walking through wet, slippery surfaces. I feel very secure. Thanks guys for watching. Remember to like, comment and subscribe. Follow us at Oneupreviewz with a Z at the end. If you want to see more content of us doing boots from Timberland or whatever brand, drop it in the comment section below. Until next time guys, peace.